Okay, next we're going to find the dimensions for a standalone image. If you look at the activities homepage, okay, so when I'm looking at this page, let me just adjust the screen for a second. Hold on a second here. There we go. Okay. You notice there's an image. There's no arrow here, so that means there's not a slider present. So when I click Edit Page, there's our image. Okay. Images can be inserted various ways. This one's inserted as a text block. That means it's done via code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the arrow, this edit pencil here. And I'm going to see this image like so. To look at the dimensions, I want to look at the code. I click text. And it says that this image is 1024 by 345. So 1024 is my pixel width. 345 is my pixel